Hi there. My name is Belsarian, and this is my final Namibia update for spring 2020. So this semester I learned a lot about React. This was my first time on the project, and I had never before done React alone. I had done React Native. So I learned a lot about the fact that there's a lot more HTML elements in it, and just basically what it takes to run a website and design the pages for a website. So this semester I primarily only focused on front end. So our task this semester was to create as many screens as we could. And this can be seen in our developers Trello page. So this is my icon, and if I'm on an icon, that means that I was assigned to that page. So I was assigned to profile, patient search, patient appointment, user search, dashboard, etc. And so this semester I really learned how to create the shell of a page and prepare it for development. And in the future I hope to be able to start connecting it to the back end. So I'm going to take you through each of the pages that I was able to create this semester. My first was this dashboard welcome page. None of the styling is applied yet. So it's basically just all the elements but not really put together in like a nice presentable way. But right now I just have buttons, and in the future I hope for these to be connected to each of the pages so that I can navigate to whichever one it needs to. Next I will take you to, let's see, appointments, that's Rebecca's, this is not mine. So here's patient search page, and you can enter your name, medical ID, etc. And in the future I hope for it to be connected to the back end, but at this point a table pops up with all the information you might need. And in the future these each will be clickable so that you can go to, let's see, profile information, which was not one of my pages. So next, so this was, that was Rebecca's, this is mine, and it basically does the same thing. Now, edit appointment. So Rebecca and I worked collaboratively on this one together. And our goal with this was to create a semi-functional or ready-to-be-developed calendar. So Rebecca made it so that when you clicked a button, it will direct you to a page with the calendar. So this would be to create an appointment. So if I were to click right here on the date of the 15th, I could add event name, final Namibia class. Here it would pop up, it's not working again, there's a glitch, but basically it would have a drop down of the days, and then you can add details. And at this point nothing saves because it's not connected to the back end, but this is what we'd want, and then submit, appointment created. Let's see, next would be user search. So this would be for facilities, for example, and you could look for maybe a doctor or a receptionist, and what would come up would be things like their user ID, their role, and potentially you could click on them and then go to user information, such as user profile. And this would show you all their information, such as their office number, phone number, email, job title, and these are all non-editable fields. And then this is their user schedule, which can be shown a week at a time, starting from Monday to Sunday. And it would, in theory, show their start time. So this is what the time picker was supposed to look like, and it's not working on the other page. And then you can look at their days off, so it'll come up with a calendar, and then it'll be the same time picker. Then you can edit user, in the future it would edit a user. So let's see, I think that was pretty much everything. This semester I learned a lot and really learned what it takes and what the overall feel of being in a like almost a startup team is. It's a lot of work, but it's also really fun and exciting, and it feels very meaningful. I have really enjoyed being able to contribute to the project in the small way I have, and hope to continue into next semester. Even though it's not going to be a class offered at APU, I hope to still continue contributing to the project and hopefully be able to get it running eventually someday so that Namibia or another country could use an electronic medical system and be able to improve their medical information organization in their country. Thank you so much.